Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and you have inventory room. This prevents lost rewards. Once done, open the store and check the Featured Skins tab because Panda skin may rotate into limited offers. Make sure you track current events and log in rewards. Some skins appear only during events or anniversary drops. You should also check daily missions for token earnings, since accumulating tokens speeds up purchases and increases your chance to unlock the Panda skin sooner. Now you focus on earning the required tokens or currency. Prioritize event challenges and daily missions because they yield high token rates. Once you have enough, enter the skin pool or featured shop. Pick the Panda option if available, or use a targeted draw when the skins banner appears. You should time purchases during bonus weeks since multipliers improve odds. If there's a crafting system, save materials until the Panda blueprint appears to craft it directly rather than relying on random drops. Complete the process by claiming the Panda skin from your mailbox or inventory and equipping it in customization. You'll see the change immediately in-game. Once equipped, verify cosmetics for that character slot so it isn't overridden by another skin. If the skin doesn't appear after a confirmed purchase, first restart the game and recheck your receipts in purchase history. If still missing, take a screenshot of the transaction and contact support with account ID. This speeds resolution and helps recover lost items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.